what you can do. Hey, young master, what you gonna say? Say you'll build a better world for all of us one day. And you can ride like the wind, roar like a lion, be kind like a butterfly, busy as a bee. And you will change the world, 'cause you are something special, 'cause you have special powers like creativity. Hey, young master, what you gonna do? Gonna learn to use your powers and do what you can do. Hey, young master, know you're gonna try. You make a difference in the world, and one day you will fly.